And I love the decoration over here. So we have cereal, different kinds of cereal and muffins. Coffee and then just like some granola bars, juice and I don't know, yogurt and I don't know what's that. Yeah, just milk. And that's what it looks like. I love the decoration. Okay, so I'm gonna start eating now, and I just got a chocolate chunk bar and double chocolate chunk muffin. I guess I just like a lot of chocolate, and we're gonna eat now. Okay, got which muffin is this?
This is cheese.
Okay, the cheese muffin. Yeah. I'll see you guys soon when we hang out. So today we're gonna go to like different beaches, and I'll show you guys when we do that. Hey guys, so now we're on our way to the Point Dune, and we are going like to these like mountain areas, and it looks like so nice. So after the Point Dune, we are going to I think Malibu Beach and then Venice. So we are still on the way, and I think it's like you can see the mountains around in this area. Today is not that hot right now. I think it's like 11 Celsius. But later on today is gonna become warmer. But yeah, this area looks really nice. So it's Castle View Drive. Some fall colors. In Minnesota there's like a lot more fall trees. But over here we don't see really fall colors. And most of the trees in Minnesota are actually without any leaves now. Now we are going through the tunnel. Oh yeah, it's small. Hey guys, so we came to Point Dune, and we are just walking now. We need to hike up. Wait, how much do we need to hike? This is what it looks like. We're gonna have to hike a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Oh.
On top, man.
We are here at Point Dune, and that's how it looks like from here. It's a little windy, and it feels warmer now, which is good. It's really pretty from up here.
Oh, I think there's dolphins over there. You see? Yeah, dolphins. Or maybe
So guys, we're just like eating in this place.
So look,
Paradise Cove.
Here, on the
Where?
other side.
Oh, there's just a pigeon over here. We are eating this place, Paradise Cove Beach Cafe in Malibu, and this is the food, which is like a lot of food. We didn't know it would be like this much. But yeah, we're just eating right now and everything seems pretty good. And just for the looks of it, I would like rate a 10 out of 10. Yeah. So now we are at Zuma Beach. It's still like in Malibu area, and I mean, they are going for a walk. I'm just like sitting on the sand, and I can show you guys the water. I feel like there's not a lot of people comparing to like Brazilian beaches. But yeah, we're probably gonna spend 15 more minutes. I'm just sitting here, and then they are taking a walk, and then we're gonna head out to back to the hotel. We'll probably just hang out at the swimming pool, and then I'll start getting ready for the night. And I'll show you once I'm ready for the event. I'll see you soon. Now I am getting ready. I'm just putting some makeup on. My pants. I just need to put my jacket and shoes. I should be good.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay. Hey guys, so we are on the way to the party, but I am dressed up as Billie Jean, which is actually like a mix of Michael in the video as well as Michael in a show. So as you can see, this is like the jacket he wears in the show, but then the rest of my outfit is Michael in the video. So we'll be there in 4 minutes. It's really close by the hotel we are, and I will show you guys around when we get there.
Now we're good. Yeah.
Ah, eu tô tirando as árvores, amiga. Que é o que testemunhou o Marco.
Oh my gosh, Prince. Vai dar pra ele?
I think she was first though. Did I drop something? No. Photo? Do it. Oh, really? It is Junior. So I need a turkey dog, but I can see a vegan dog too. And not that I've seen the picture of him eating things, so I know these things are like regular hot dogs. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but I want to get the vegetables because we're eating that yet.
My baby. Some decorative. I'm so sorry.
Get slammed in the
Just gonna love the Halloween decorations over here. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, everyone around here.
Quer dançar? Quer dançar?
Agora não. O pessoal já tá indo embora. Everyone is already leaving. Right now it's 11:55, so the party is gonna end like in 5 minutes. So, but you guys can still hear.
I didn't know that.
Cabe na bolsa.
Alright, so I'm back to the hotel, and this is what we got. First, when we get there, they give you a map of like the whole party, like whatever is going on. And then in the end of the party, we got this bag. And let's see what we have in here. An MJ1 Billie Jean glove that lights up. And I actually have one of these, but mine doesn't light up anymore, so that's good. That is scored. Oh, the cup. think it's the Thriller cup. Yes! This is so awesome. I love it so much. And it comes with a straw over here. We have a shirt. I love this design. Let me see the size. Oh, it's a medium size. That's not so bad. We got a CD. Oh no, these are the coasters. Yes, these are coasters. That looks like the Thriller album. Anything else? Just this little booklet. Thriller Night 40th anniversary. Talking about Los Angeles. Oh, this was the map. Also talk about D.D. Jackson. Thriller 40th. And that's it. Over here is just my bracelet that it was stored up in the end of the party. So that's it in the swag bag.